Hello traders, investors, and everyone watching. I'm Ali, and in this video, we shall explore one of the leaders of the modern era, the Taiwanese TSMC. The company is the third largest semiconductor manufacturer in the world after Intel and Samsung, and the world's largest independent manufacturer of semiconductor products. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company bears many strengths to its name. It has a strong market position with a client base of over 700 customers. Some of TSMC's customers include AMD, Apple, and Nvidia. The company caters well to its customers by providing over 11,000 different products, including central processing units, drivers, and network interface controllers, just to name a few. Looking into the past 2 quarters of TSMC, the company beat Wall Street expectations. Profit in the third quarter was $5.6 billion compared to the $5.41 billion forecasted. Revenue was up 22.6% year over year in US dollar terms. The success can be explained by strong semiconductor chip demand on a global scale, among the ever more growing electric vehicle industry and technological advances in multiple industries. In the fourth quarter, profit was $6.03 billion against the $5.87 billion expected by analysts. Revenue was also more than expected, up 24.1% year over year. TSMC exhibited an incredible quarter amid booming chip demand for smartphones, laptops, and other gadgets, fueled by the chip shortage caused by the COVID-19 pandemic and its repercussions on major economies. The company enjoys high profitability not only due to the demand for its chips by major tech tycoons, but also through its economies of scale. TSMC achieves superior profit margins of 38%, which outperforms 96% of the rest of the industry, as the company invests heavily into technology, research and development, and maintains low costs through its Taiwan-based production. No wonder why TSMC is the 8th most valuable company in the world with regards to market capitalization, recently surpassing giants including Nvidia and Berkshire Hathaway, with a market capitalization of $730 billion. Looking into the technical analysis of TSMC, both short and long-term trends are positive. With the share price currently valued at $140 apiece, the stock is trading in the upper part of its 52-week range, indicating that the company's performance is in line with the market. When examining the price charts provided by TradingView, there are several support zones. One ranges from $125 to $127, another from $116 to $122, and a third horizontal support level lies at $113. Hand in hand with the large average volume of TSMC stock and transactions, it is expected that the stock keeps on the rise with such momentum. Regarding stock performance, the company is enjoying an impressive escalation of 368% in 5 years' time. In just 1 year, the company's share price grew by over 12%, 17% in 1 month, and 9.2% since the beginning of 2022. The TSMC stock is growing consistently and is deemed as quite the attractive stock for traders and investors. And now, the details which matter the most to traders and investors. What are the future expectations of TSMC, and how will that reflect on the stock outlook? TSMC has several plans lined up for the future. The first revolves around research and development. TSMC plans to continue to invest heavily in R&D, focused on improving its current products and innovating even smaller nodes and 3D transistors, which feed heavily into technology platforms. The company also plans to build a new factory in Japan with the goal of meeting long-term appetite for semiconductor chips. Amid tight global supply and bolstering demand, this could translate into higher profits and market dominance for the booming Taiwanese business. A third plan involves mass production of 3 nanometer chips in the second half of 2022, which expect to provide 70% more logic density, 15% faster, and 30% power reduction when compared to its 5 nanometer chips. This will involve spending of around $100 billion over the next 3 years. This is because new technologies such as 5G telecommunications and artificial intelligence applications continue to bolster chip demand, and the company aims to keep up with high demand through expanding its operations. Analysts from CNN Money had a median stock price target of $149, with a high forecast of $212 and a low estimate of $128. So, it can be argued that the stock rests at a good entry point for traders and investors at the moment, given the increasing popularity, demand, and usage of semiconductors, which can be regarded as the gold of the modern era, heavily exhausted by technology. This has been Analyst Ali Dailami, and I hope you enjoyed this quick overview of TSMC, its growth drivers, stock performance, and the future expectations and plans of the company. Keep up with the latest market information, strengthen your trading knowledge, and open your doors to success by visiting alpho.com. See you later.